Understanding how gravity affects time. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines physics with our everyday understanding of time. We're going to explore how gravity affects time, a concept that might sound like it's straight out of a science fiction movie, but is actually a very real aspect of our universe. Stay tuned as we break down this complex idea into easy-to-understand segments. First, let's talk about gravity. Gravity is a force that attracts two objects towards each other. It's what keeps us grounded on Earth and causes objects to fall when dropped. But gravity is not just about falling objects. It plays a massive role in the movement of planets, stars, and galaxies. Before we dive into how gravity affects time, we need to understand what we mean by time. Time is a measurement that describes the duration between events. For most of us, time seems to move at a constant pace. However, the reality is far more complex, especially when gravity enters the equation. Now, for the core of our discussion, how does gravity affect time? According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, the stronger the gravitational pull, the slower time moves. This phenomenon is known as time dilation. It means that time literally moves slower near a massive object, like a planet or a star, compared to less massive regions. You might be wondering if this is just theoretical. The answer is no. GPS satellites are a perfect example. These satellites orbit Earth where gravity's pull is weaker than on the surface. Because of this, time moves slightly faster on the satellites than it does for us on the ground. To ensure GPS accuracy, scientists must account for this time difference. Understanding how gravity affects time isn't just for astrophysicists. It has practical applications in technology, navigation, and even in understanding the universe's structure. By grasping this concept, we learn more about the fundamental laws that govern our world and beyond. And that wraps up our journey through the fascinating interplay between gravity and time. We've seen how gravity, a force we experience every day, influences the very flow of time itself. Hopefully, this video has shed some light on this profound subject, making the wonders of the universe a little more accessible. Thank you for watching, and remember, the next time you check the time, there's a lot more going on than just the ticking of a clock.